Alright, Jay. What ball are you choosing? That yellow one, I think, is a 7. Or is it a 13? Really? That's a 7. There you go. What in the world, son? I would say that that's probably not a good thing. What did you do? And what are you trying to do? That was bad. No, that didn't work. Oh, wait. Yes, it did. Wow, that was... I don't know what to say to that.
Brilliant!
That was terrible. You realize you both... I'm sorry. Now, do your work, yours.
Think this guy! Yeah! I'm brilliant!
Yeah, absolutely.
I don't know what to do anymore. I don't know what to say.
Sarah, let me see your face. Jay, there's your ball. Hey. Hey, Sarah, can you find... That's mine. That one is mine. This one has an ice cube in it, so I thought you were blind. Oh, there we go. Smile for the camera. All right. Now it's my turn.